Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can collab reels on Instagram. Now for you to collab reels on Instagram, firstly make sure that your device is connected to the internet and then open up the Instagram application. Now on your profile, click a reel who you want to invite collaborators to. So let's say you want to invite collaborators or tag collaborators to this reel. So on this reel, tap it again and you will be on that reel page. Now on this page, on the top right corner, you'll see these three dots. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, another menu will appear on your screen. Now on this screen, click on this edit button. After you click on this edit button, you can edit all the texts and taggings and details of this reel. So on this page, find this tag people option and click on it. Once you click on it, you can either add tag or invite collaborators. So simply click on this invite collaborators option and then search for the collaborator you want to tag. So wait for it to load, and as you can see, all these people have been shown on my screen. So choose a person you want to invite, and once you do that, this menu will appear, and on this menu simply click on this invite to collaborate option, and on the top right corner click on this tick option and then click on tick again. And once you do that, and if the other person accepts your invite, he or she will be a collaborator of this reel, and then it will also be shown on their page. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.